We are going to create something fun today. It is a grid of buttons. These buttons will look cool and have special effects. When you use them, they will teach you some important life lessons. The grid will have 48 buttons in total. We will use a special tool called Flexbox to arrange them neatly. Imagine a chessboard with rows and columns. That's what we're aiming for. Each button will have a label that says GitHub and a number. This way we can tell them apart. This project is not just about making a grid. It's about learning as we go. We will learn to be patient and give clear instructions. We will also find joy in helping others and be creative. Most importantly, we will do all of this with love and support. Let's start building our grid. We'll use HTML and CSS, which are like the language of web pages. First, we create a container for our buttons. Think of it like a box. Then we put 48 button elements inside this box. Each button gets its unique label, from GitHub 1 to GitHub 48. Now comes the fun part, Flexbox. We tell our container to become a Flexbox. This is like giving it superpowers to arrange its children, the buttons. We instruct it to create 8 columns. Our buttons will now line up neatly in rows and columns just like we wanted. Let's make our buttons look amazing. We will use CSS to style them. We'll give them a nice 3D effect so they pop out of the screen. Rounded corners will give them a soft and friendly look. Remember the colors we chose? Cayenne magenta and crimson red will be our background. This vibrant combination will make our grid stand out. When you hover over a button, it will change color to cayenne. This effect will make the grid interactive and fun. And there's more. When you click a button, a small window will pop up. It will say, click this link here, and provide a link to a GitHub page. Each button will have its unique link. We did it! We created a beautiful and interactive grid of buttons, but more importantly, we learned valuable lessons along the way. We learned to be patient because creating something new takes time. We learned to give clear instructions just like we did with our code. We also found joy in helping others because our buttons will help people discover interesting GitHub projects. We were creative in designing the grid and choosing the colors, and through it all, we had love and support for each other, which made the process even more enjoyable. This project was a small example of how we can combine technology with human values. Let's carry these lessons with us as we continue to learn, create, and make the world a better place.